Hey, Jacob Orlando with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone yesterday, and I appreciate you clicking on this video. And I know that you said you and your partner were the only ones on this business for right now, and that's all right. In this video, I simply guys just want to show you guys three things that you guys can implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door, get you guys busier through this changing, how right now it's changing weather and everything. So the reason being that you guys are probably asking why I'm not even sending a video like this. The reason being is I've seen a lot of business owners are just simply too busy come in here, do the research on the internet, and see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. And I've seen that even after that, even when they try to outsource and hire somebody, they don't know who the expert is. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert, and I've seen that by giving people and business owners a video like this, giving you guys tips and tricks that you guys are able to do yourself, has resulted in some of these companies coming back and saying, "Hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd like to work with you." So if you, Jacob, or your partner want to come in here and like what you've heard, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to do it yourself and implement it yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So let's just get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. You guys already have a good looking website. I mean, you guys have great logo, great outline. Everything is crisp and clean. You can see what everything's doing. You guys have some cool little features like this, going over the pictures, showing the services that you guys provide. But Google doesn't see that. They see only content. And what we've seen, the average website on Google search, when someone comes in there to search, the average website has about 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content. And the more content that you have on a page, the more that it appears of an expert. And obviously, you guys are experts on your topic in HVAC, so you really want to show that when your potential clients are coming in here to do the research on you guys. So if we come in here and we highlight everything that is going to be considered Google content in Google's eyes, and that is going to be including like pictures and videos. Oops. But if we come in here and we go to this word count and we see how much you have 497 words. So that's not terrible. You want to add in there at least another 1,000 words worth of content. With you guys being an HVAC company, though, that's going to be very easy, especially with the time changing. You guys can do some stuff with furnace changeouts, furnace, new furnaces, all that stuff, deep cleaning. I mean, you guys do all of it. So I would just specify a little bit more on the services that you guys do provide. If you guys do commercial, residential, whatever the case is, I would go in there and not only just add just regular content, whatever, but you want to add in keywords and key phrases in there. And keyword and key phrases, all they are is what you would come in here and someone would look up on this search bar when they come in here to search up for an HVAC company in the Castle Rock area. So furnace repair alone is getting 40 searches every single month. So there's 40 people coming in here every month looking for that keyword or key phrase, looking for a company to do that. And that's going to probably pick up with the temperatures dropping, so that's going to go up a little bit more, so you're going to expect a little bit more than 40. But if we come in here and we actually try to find that key phrase in your website, it's nowhere to be found on this homepage. So when you guys are adding in that new content, I would highly suggest to add that in there a couple times, maybe even into some pictures or anything like that. So actually those are just straight links. But with your pictures throughout your website, you want to go in there and you want to save some of these images, so you can see here a little bit. So this one's just logo edited one. So it's just saved at random. So you won't really want to go in there and make sure you're naming them the appropriate keyword or key phrase. And that's just one of them that you can go in there and do. Second thing that I want to talk about is your citation. All a citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. That's all it is. Your like kind of contact information. You're trying to get that in as many directories as possible. Some of the examples of some of the bigger platforms would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo. So if you guys are already on there, I would highly suggest to get yourself on there. I know Facebook now allows you to do a little citation on there for your website. So those are all great to have. Um, with backlinks with this area here, this organic search area, this is just going to be a combination of all three with rich content on this page with citations, having plenty of citations on plenty of directories, and backlinks. Backlinks is like a popularity contest. They're going to play the biggest factor with this. Backlinks is a huge popularity contest. You're just trying to get as many websites giving you a link back to your page as possible. So it's like site A is acting as the power and the link juice, like we call it, and yours is site B. So they're giving you a link from their site, having a link on their page back to your homepage is giving you the authority in Google's eyes. But with that, not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So a lot of times, some people might have a lot more, 500 or 600 backlinks, and they're still not getting ranked in this home page on this front page. And that's just because of the type of backlinks that they have. So a bad example would be, so say if you guys do some maintenance work or do a repair for a Domino's or a Pizza Hut, or whatever the case, something restaurant of some sort. Google's gonna see that it's, even though it might be a very high profile name, a high profile restaurant, whatever the case is, that knows that it's not related to your HVAC company. It's not related to the field of work that you guys do. It knows you guys don't sell pizza. You guys aren't in the restaurant game. So it's not going to give you the power and the authority that per se another HVAC company, an adjacent company, maybe in Denver, Castle Rock, and the surrounding Littleton. I don't know if you guys know any other companies, but or general contractors, subcontractors. I know there's a lot of websites out there that you can go out there for construction, that you guys can go in there and get the maximum amount of power and authority through Google's eyes. Now, if you're trying to get, now we'll look at this thing here. This is one of the tools that I use. It's called Ahrefs. It is a couple $100 a month, but there's plenty of tools out there on Google that you can go and grab them to look up your citations, and look up your backlinks. Now, so if you're trying to get to be number one on this area here, where a lot of the searches and a lot of your clicks are going to come in and your calls are going to come in, or from here, you want to get it the most citations and plenty of citations. Um, and what you would want to do is you want to grab in what your biggest competition has, like Nitec, Castle Rock Heating and Air, Furnace Repair. You want to see what they have, because obviously the citations that they have are working for them, so it's going to work for you. So you would go in there and, like I already did, Nitec Metal. I can see what they have going on. So they have 116 referring domains, bringing them 482 backlinks, and they're getting found for 257 keywords. So, and you can see with yours, you're getting 42 referring domains, bringing 142 backlinks, and you're getting found for 78 keywords. So, what you would want to do is you would come in here and look at your competition, because they are ranked on that. They're number one right here on the citation on this Google Map Pack area. And I'm sure if we look here, they're, yeah, so they're number one here. So they're number one on both sides. So what they're doing, it's working. So all you want to do is grab what they have. If it's good enough for them, it's going to be good enough for you. And go in here and you can see expertise.com, Castle Pines Connection, Castle Rock Rugby, Service National Alliance, expertise.com again, nearby now, expertise again, trustedpros.com. So all those would be ones that you would want to go out there and grab, and it doesn't necessarily have to be Nitec. I just chose that because that's the biggest competition. You can do Nash Furnace Repair, Castle Rock. You can see all these guys in here, Rock Heating and Plumbing, McCormick. So all those guys, you would go in there, look at what they have going on, because obviously if it's good enough to rank them in this top 10, it's going to be good enough to rank you. Um, and that's kind of a wrap with everything. A quick little recap of everything we just talked about with content. You want 1,500 words in there, but you want to add some of these keywords or key phrases into that new content you're adding. Citation, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, all those bigger platforms you want to get on. If you aren't already on there and you want to go in, see what your competition has, see what they have, but don't just stop there. If you really want to blow your competition out of the water, if they have 600 backlinks, and go in there and grab 700. So that kind of wraps everything up with that. Um, I hope this helped. I was trying to keep this video kind of short. If you guys have any questions on it, please let me know. If you guys want to do this on your own, the faster you guys get going on this, the faster you're going to see yourself get ranked up. And you're going to start seeing that rank, and you're going to start seeing yourself on this homepage. If not, if you guys want to save yourself the hassle, man, and you guys want to save yourself the headache, give me a call and we'll see what we can do with 719-924-7601. I look forward to speaking with you guys again. You guys have a good one.